Hello everybody, good morning to you all. Before I start with, let me give you a brief account of how I came to Edifex. It's been only 3 months now that I'm a part of the Edifex technical writing team. Coming here, the first thing that I noticed that the entire atmosphere, the environment, the people whom I dealt with, right from the office boys to the senior management to the middle management, and everybody around the office was so warm and welcoming in me into this office. So that was one of the things which really clicked. And Blink, that is what I like to believe. Yes, I do believe in the power of Blink. That is the snap which makes you decide that this is the place where you want to be. The second thing which really allowed me to do and pursue something which was long lost and been dormant in my life since my college days, there were the hobby classes here. So that is one thing which I truly agree and want to say that that is one of the best things that any company could do to enhance the productivity and the sincerity and the honesty from any employee to deliver the best. I fail to realize that pursuing the self is more important than anything else, and that is why those hobbies took a back step. But coming here, I got to see that that was in fact a very good way of enhancing your productivity and coming here, meeting the mentors for their hobbies and the free time and the freedom. Of course, the free time and the freedom does come with a lot of responsibilities, but I definitely like to believe that if you use your freedom with responsibility, definitely it's going to enhance and definitely it's going to be beneficial for both the company as well as the employee and the companies who are doing this. But then there are very few who actually do this, and Edifex is one of them. So it's not talking more about pursuing your hobby things, but then even the work culture, the people whom I'm dealing with my mentors in the technical writing team, my manager, the editors in the Bellevue office. These are the people whom I'm directly syncing up with and related to all the documentation thing, and they've been really helpful. So DITA was something very new to me, and I came from a totally different background using a different tool writing the documentation. But then that was something, then the technology that is used in Edifex, that is something top of the class and which is there in the market today. So that was another thing which I like about Edifex, and the mentoring is awesome. So that's all from me. Thank you.